bullied you. Who bullied you? You bullied us. You came here. Fucking goodness. You came here. Ano ba yung kanila? Ikaw ang pumunta dito sa amin. Bobo ka ba? Sa mga nakatayan, Gen Z, ang tatapang nila online.
Call for Marcos resign.
Wait, na-relax tayo.
Call for Marcos resign. Ikaw.
Bakit yan? Ano, hijacker ka?
Yes, hijacking. I mean Marcos is fake vloggers.
Ugo!
Wait,
Vloggers, so ano ka?
wait muna, para klaro tayo.
Go, Alvin!
Wait lang,
Do
wait
not
lang.
mediate us.
No, kasi parang ano ba, klaro ba?
So hindi kasi anong nangyari, nandito kami, hindi ko sila inaway, I don't even know him.
That's why I want to ask
Okay
him.
ha, I don't even know him. Pupunta siya, dyan siya nakatayo. I even thank him sa bravery na nag-interview siya sa Reuters.
Correct, that's why I want
Tapos
to
bakit
ask.
nag-uwi mo, sinabi mo na hijack leader, we were shocked.
That's my opinion.
That's your opinion, exactly. This is also my opinion.
Okay, bye.
Then who are you?
So who are you?
Who are you? I'm Tio Moreno, and who are you?
I am Dan.
You're dead. No one even knows you.
So you are.
Oh my, really? The fact that you are
No,
talking
actually,
about
Dan,
me speaks volumes that you know
wait,
me.
ako muna, Tio.
And who are you again? Dan. So,
Wait lang, Tio. Pasalita mo na, Tio.
Ano ba yung Ay! How the video ka? How the video ka? Hoy!
Ano ba yan?
Sino?
Jason.
Hoy! Ano? Pag-video ka yan?
Kuya, layo. I-close ko na to. Ayoko ng ganito.